So I'm just removing the leaves from the stems of hyacinths. Now you see, you do get an awful lot of foliage with each hyacinth because they've actually been cut at the growers from the bulb. So as you can appreciate, you get the entire leaf structure as well as the bloom. So I'm just going to make a hand tied with the hyacinths, although not your formal hand tied, which I'm going to tie into the form of a bouquet. It's just to get them all roughly the same height, really. Just adding those as we go around. It's none of the usual rules and regulations about keeping the stems all at an angle so that you can tie in one point. This is actually going to be an upright arrangement when it's finished. Just turning those round. Go, adding the last few stems. Oop. There we go. Oh, must get that little one. Now I'm just going to tie those very gently with a piece of string, bearing in mind that the stems are very fleshy, so if you pull the string too tightly, it's actually going to cut through. It's only literally just to keep them secure. It doesn't have to be anything too formal or structured. Just literally tying them, just to keep them together really, because holding them with your hand is going to be completely impossible. So that's what we have, and then I'm just going to cut those down to fit into my bowl. I now have a tank vase, and I'm just going to use a couple of stems of aspidistra, which I'm going to fold in and around the vase. It completely blanks out the vase. Tuck it so that the heads are in there. Oops, sorry, just keep giving you all earache out there. And exactly the same principle. Just pop that. I need to cut those a bit shorter for this one. Cut those down a wee bit. There we go. There we have another version of our hyacinth arrangement, just literally using a different shaped container and a different medium of foliage.